Yahtzee. Welcome to Jellystone Park here in Larkspur, you guys, then another Sun Outdoors location. Let's go take a look inside this first option for a tiny home. As you walk into the space, again, we're talking about a lot of wood cabinets, a lot of pine, and this is just normal pine. This isn't whitewashed. You just have a simple glaze on that to keep it from rotting or having any water issues with that. And then you have a lot of picture windows for the natural light. I really like the fan, especially when it's hot during the summer like what it is right now. And then you have your kitchenette style setup, right? So a little bit of counter space, full-size fridge if you're gonna be here for a couple of days. My family usually brings food just because we like to travel without having to go to the store every 2 minutes. Microwave, coffee machine, or hot chocolate, whatever your pleasure is there. And then here, we're gonna have a couple of kids. So of our 4 kids, I promise we don't have 6 kids. Of the 4 kids, 2 are gonna sleep here on the couch. And then my wife and I are in the main level bedroom here on this end. And then we have a second main level bedroom here on the other end with bunk beds in it as well. Let's go check that one out first to start with. So as you're cruising down the hallway, notice the awesome Yogi Bear sign for Jellystone, just like I have with the shirt. That's what Yogi Bear stands for with this. But as you walk into this area, full-size bed on the bottom bunk, twin-size bed on the top bunk. We might actually have 2 kids that sleep here. They're gonna be so tired after a day at the water park, they're not gonna care if it's a king size, a queen size, a full size, whatever it is, right? But still a lot of natural light. I really like the vaulted ceilings just to give it elevated space, not too cramped as you're walking through here. Now that we've checked out the first main level bedroom, let's check out the second main level bedroom that the wife and I are gonna stay in. Pocket doors in and out of every bathroom and bedroom in the home. This is what I mean when I say that you have storage for a nightly rental space. So you have enough room for your bag, hang a couple of clothes, extra storage up top as well with the extra pillow, and then a queen size bed, sconces on both sides. Again, with the vaulted ceiling in the bedrooms, you just never want to feel cramped. It doesn't matter how small the space you're staying in. The average tiny home is actually the same size as your average hotel room across the nation. So it's nice to be in 300 to 400 square feet, but still be able to fit your full family at 6. And then we have another porch right out front that looks over the entire park. Let's go check out how awesome a view you have when you wake up in the morning. There are so many activities here at Jellystone Park in Larkspur. You have things like your water park that the kids can be at all day, every day and tire themselves out. But you also have your normal everyday activities like your volleyball, pickleball, basketball. You have an arcade, a lot of different kind of jungle gyms and playgrounds throughout the park. You have a lot of hikes nearby as well, just because you're in a gorgeous location here in Larkspur, Colorado. A lot of outdoor activities. But really, there's so many planned activities for your kids all day, every day. You're gonna run out of time staying here before you run out of activities to do. All right, thanks for being with us here at Jellystone Park in Larkspur, Colorado. Follow us as we go through all the other locations at Sun Outdoors. We'll see you around.